G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again with another bite of Bennett review. And am I excited today? Oh yeah, I have got an Armattan Gecko 3-inch to review. So a big shout out to Chris from Armattan for giving me the chance to review this. So let's whack it on the bench, have a quick look at it and get out and give it a burn. Well, you can see where the inspirations come from this. This is like a mini rooster come Japarula. And it's such a nice little unit. Well put together. Again, the titanium front end. Look, you're not going to break a camera on this. If you do, well, you're doing really well if you can. If you break a frame, well, they'll replace it for free. So how good is that? Lifetime warranty on this thing. The CL Racing flight controller in here, which is connected to the SpeedX 25 amp 4-in-1 ESC. Your motors are the Titan oomph motors, the minis, 1407 3650s. And the VTX, I think you've got an option with the VTX. They come with a TBS Unified Pro or the TBS Unified Race version. And a little UFL micro antenna on the back. And Dell props. These are the 3056 props. So overall, what a great little build. I've got to go out and fly this thing. I'm not going to waste any more time on the bench, but it looks great. Anyway, let's get out in the field. Okay, here we go with the Armattan Gecko. Let's see how it goes. Whoa, it's plenty of poke on this one. Jeez, it's got some grunt. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm liking this already. Oh, it's just so floaty, it's really nice. It's not a racer, of course, it is freestyle. Jeez, nice. Very, very smooth. The camera's quite good, there's no vibrations at all. Quite nimble. I don't want the best freestyle pilot in the world, obviously, but it's a lot of fun. It's quick. It's quite windy here at the moment too, so it's doing quite a good job. Oh, I can play with this all day. I've only got 4 batteries. This is fun. I'm liking this. Whoa. Well guys, this thing is a little ripper. Armattan have done it again. It's a great little quad. Really impressed with how it flies. If you want something that's freestyle on a 3-inch, I can highly recommend this thing. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. And look, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, well, it doesn't really matter. I don't give a shit. Leave some comments below too. That'd be great. I'll answer them if you leave them. Anyway, catch you later, guys. Hope you like it.